Hi guys, I wanted today to draw hips and waist. I drew a bit already, so just like warm up. And I found there is a quick way to actually do it. We don't really need to worry too much about. So what you can do, you just start like this. One dot, you just choose the angle first. So this is like the waistline and these two important dots. Just bear with me. Then try to draw like approximately it's like a small face, but this is like the where the private part are approximately. You don't need to worry too much about it. Okay, and then imagine that they have also like small two dots, right? They have also like in 3D space. Okay, and then try to draw two discs, one connecting this side to this dot approximately, right? You don't need to worry too much about it. One like this, and the second one, because it will be like from an angle, this is like closer to us, can be something like this, maybe. Yeah, something like this, no matter. So this will be closer to us. I will just make it a bit, hash it, yeah. Okay, and this one will be on the opposite. You'll not really see it. It's anyway, both are inside. Okay, and now they're both will have a dot inside, and this one would come like that, and here create another dot, and from here it will go like outside, and it will go like this around here. Don't stress yourself. So to look something like this, right? It's pretty simple. Two dots, the crotch, then two discs to unite the sides with these two dots. Okay, so we got this kind of thing. So knowing now, it's already very easy. So the legs, you can draw, for example, you want the knees to be here, one here, and then you just draw approximately the knee where it should be. So one here and one here. Yeah, let's draw it like that, for example. You just put some direction where they should be in the end. Okay, and then there are cylinders. So just try to unite this dot with this to create the first leg. So you should be just imagine like the cylinders, but it should always contain this bigger dot. So no matter if you put, for example, the knee here, it should go like that. Yeah, so always this small, because it's like a part of the bone, it should be inside of the cylinder. So you can go something like this. So this will be one, and this can be second one. Just roughly draw the leg. Okay, so this would be drawn one, and the second one we want it here, which is a little crazy. So it should go also from the hip. I'll turn it a bit because it's easier to kind of draw, or maybe I can wing it somehow. So it should go there, right? So it should be around here and around here. So let's see. It's just this is the first sketch, so you don't really need to worry too much. It should be cylinder, yeah. So it should be like this. You can draw the end, and then you should start from here. Okay, and inside, a bit inside. Okay, so it should be like that. Okay, and then from this, because this should be, just imagine, I'll draw it on like that. Yeah, but it will be a little lower, so it will end here. So I'll just I'll just delete this part. It's really simple. If you like, just remember these dots. I will draw it a little more later. So we have now like two legs, and then you know they can go in different directions. This can come lower and so on. So we don't need to draw more. But so okay, and then you can draw, for example, because this is in this direction. So the best would be for you to unite this part on the hip. Yeah, it should be like this. You can actually start drawing uh, the rest of the body. Should be like this, right? It should be like the belly button, and come from it a little down, and then something like that. It should be very loose. You shouldn't like draw straight lines, and the body can uh, can go like this approximately. And yeah, and this part, so this side here, it's just virtual. It doesn't really exist, you know. It doesn't really exist, but the leg basically there it starts, and this of course is on the opposite side, so you'll not really see it. Let me just do it like that. Okay. Okay, so this we did. This should come like that. Okay. And then the belly muscles. Just imagine like this should come around like that. But obviously you don't need to like draw them, but it just gives you some idea of how the bones look like. Yeah. Yeah, sure, should come like this. I get lost here. Okay, so this is like pretty easy. So you can, let's draw a different angle. So we did this one. Let's put her here. Let's draw straight. Let's draw straight. I think maybe this is the easiest one. Okay, so again, 2 dots. It will be straight, so it's very easy to remember. 2 dots, crotch approximately like that. 2 lines, 2 discs, from one from here, yeah, and the other one from here. Just wing that, something like that. Yeah. And then the middle of them, one like this, second like this. These are actually the very important points. Okay, and now the legs. We said that we want straight, right? Like this. Okay, so always this should be inside the leg, yeah? So one like that. This one is, it's a bit like this, and then from I think in dots, you know, so it's, for me it's easier like that. Okay, and then between this part and this part is like also like a virtual dot, and here also in between, and here you can go like this, down and then down. So again, this and then like this, and then from the top can be okay, just from the back. Okay, and let's draw one more again. um, 1, 2, two discs. Okay, then one here, one here. It can be one like this, second one like this. So this will be like in let's see, then the belly should come like that, and right, so it should be like this. Okay, so these two are the hip bones, but I just made them a little stronger, so it's easier for me to think about them. So okay, so we want staying on a I don't know. Okay, so this will be one leg in this direction, and the second one, I think we drew one like this. Let's make her close again, like this. So always to cover this bone, and then go where the knees are. So should be something like this. So belly button here around this part, and then go into the rib cage and whatnot. And this leg is like this. So also these two dots, one here, yeah, and between this and this, another one here. So then you can just the shape. So one like this, and then goes the shape inside. Yeah, super easy, super easy. So guys, this is it for today. I hope that you understand, because it's really easy to draw all kinds of directions and sizes. And please let me know if it makes sense, right? If not, then I'll make it more angles, so maybe to demonstrate from different weirder positions, and just let me know if you like this kind of tutorials. Thank you.